kids, I am Shanali. Today we will learn names of the different parts of our body. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Lip. L-I-P-S. Lip. Tip. T-W-E-T-H. Tip. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Forehead. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D. Forehead. Cheek. C-H-E-E-K. Cheek. Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Eye. A-I-N. Eye. Elbow. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Finger. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Face. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Belly. B-E-double-S-Y. Belly. Ear. E-A-R. Ear. Eye. E-Y-E-R. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Thigh. T-H-I-G-H. Thigh. Knee. K-N-E-E-D. Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. Toe. T-O-E. Toe. Foot. F-double-O-T. Foot. Heel. H-double-E-L. Heel. Ankle. A-N-K-L-E. Ankle. Thank you.